Hello students, in the last class we studied very most important reaction like Clemenson's and Wolff-Kishner's reduction. I think all the students understand those two reactions. In this class I will discuss about this aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. This is also very important reaction. Aldol condensation means aldehydes and ketones which are having alpha hydrogen atom. They consisting of alpha hydrogen atom when treated with dilute alkali like NaOH, dilute NaOH, they undergo self condensation to form aldol or ketol. If you take aldehyde, the product is aldol. If you start with ketone, then the product is an ketol. Aldol or ketol. Aldol meaning is they contains both aldehydic group and hydroxyl group. The compound contains both aldehydic and alcoholic group. Those are called aldol. The compounds which contain ketonic group and hydroxyl group, those are called as an ketol. Aldol or ketol is formed. This reaction is called aldol reaction. That aldol, the formed aldol or ketol readily lose the water molecule. They readily lose the water molecule by heating to form alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. This reaction is called aldol condensation. This is very most important. This is the statement of the aldol condensation. Aldol condensation means aldehyde or ketone, they are having alpha hydrogen atom. When they treated with dilute alkali like NaOH, they undergo self condensation to form aldol or ketol. That reaction is called aldol reaction. Aldol or ketol, they readily lose the water molecule upon heating. Aldol or ketol on heating readily lose the water molecule. They yield alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. This reaction is called aldol condensation. Aldol condensation is the general characteristic of the aldehydes or ketones having alpha hydrogen atom. While writing the reaction, you have to separate that alpha hydrogen atom. Then in your syllabus, they are generally taking the acetaldehyde CH3CHO. This is acetaldehyde. You split that acetaldehyde for your convenience. You split the acetaldehyde. This is the acetaldehyde molecule. One acetaldehyde. You take another acetaldehyde. You split that alpha hydrogen atom separately. HCH2CHO. This is the 2 moles of the acetaldehyde. When treated with dilute NaOH, this dilute NaOH as the catalyst. Role of that NaOH is the catalyst only. This one is the alpha hydrogen atom. This alpha hydrogen atom moves to the carbonyl group, form an aldol, that is CH3, CH, here OH, then the CH2 get bonded. This one is called an aldol. Aldol is formed. This aldol readily upon heating, you eat this aldol, it readily lose the water molecule. How it lose the water molecule means this OH group and from this CH2 one hydrogen get removed. That results in the formation of CH3, CH, here double bond takes place and CH, CHO. You observe this structure. This is the functional group. This carbon is called alpha. This carbon is called beta. Between alpha and beta, there arises a double bond. Hence, it is called alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. This reaction is called aldol condensation. This aldol condensation product name commonly called as the crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde. You have to practice the IUPAC names for that aldol and condensation product crotonaldehyde. This is about the aldol condensation. For your board exam, you practice as it is. You copy this one as it is. You definitely get the 2 marks. In some cases, instead of acetaldehyde, they can take ethanol. Ethanol means that is the IUPAC name of the acetaldehyde. It is an ethanol. Ethanol, Al. If you write OL, then it is an alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Ethanol, Al means it is an acetaldehyde. What happens when ethanol treated with dilute NaOH? Write the chemical equation. In this way, they can ask this question. What happens when ethanol reacts with dilute NaOH? It undergo aldol condensation. This is the reaction. You practice this one. This is about the aldol condensation. If you know that as aldol condensation reaction by using acetaldehyde, you practice for the acetone also. Acetone is CH3CO. This one is CH3. Then one more acetone. One more acetone. You try the alpha hydrogen H, CH2, CO, CH3. This is the acetone. You practice that reaction. This H added to O and remaining CH2 part bonded to this carbon atom. You complete the reaction. This is the int for this acetone molecule. This is about the aldol condensation. Next you take cross aldol condensation. Next one is cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol means in the reaction name only it indicates cross aldol. Cross means the aldol condensation. Aldol condensation takes place between two different aldehyde or ketone. Aldol condensation takes place between two different aldehydes or ketone. It is called cross aldol condensation. While writing that cross aldol condensation, you have to consider one of the aldehyde or ketone must contain alpha hydrogen. Then only we can write that cross aldol condensation reaction. For cross aldol condensation, generally you practice reaction between benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde formula is C6H5CHO. This benzaldehyde not have alpha hydrogen atom. The another aldehyde or ketone used must have an alpha hydrogen. Such aldehyde or ketone should be used. For that purpose, you take acetophenone. Acetophenone formula is C6H5COCH3. Acetophenone contains the alpha hydrogen. This one is an alpha hydrogen atom. But benzaldehyde does not have an alpha hydrogen atom, while acetophenone contains alpha hydrogen atom. When treated with dilute NaOH, they undergo aldol condensation. The product formed is, that is C6H5 CH. This hydrogen atom moves to this O, forms OH, then CH2 CO, C6H5. This is the aldol. This one is in ketol because ketonic group. Ketol is formed. This ketol on heating. This one is in ketol. This on heating loses the water molecule. This OH from this CH to one hydrogen. Then the product is C6H5. CH. Here double bond takes place. Then CH, CO, C6H5. This is the condensation product. This is about the cross-aldol condensation. Cross-aldol condensation. The name of this product, can you guess the name of this product? That is, up to here we get the root word. These two are the phenyl group substituents. That is, this is the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 diphenyl. 1, 3 diphenyl prop. Then 2-ene. 2-ene. Then 1-one. This is the IUPAC name. This is the condensation product. This is about the cross-aldol condensation. You practice as it is. In next class, we can study very most important reaction like Cannizzaro reaction.